Friends, this is India's first global supercomputing conference. It's a big milestone in our deep tech journey. It's a platform to showcase and share views about the advances in high performance computing, in AI, in quantum computing, in semiconductors. These are the fields which are redefining our economy. These are the technologies which are reshaping the entire world. We are focused on made in India, designed in India, and made for the world solutions.
It is a privilege to address you at the inaugural edition of the Supercomputing India 2025, a landmark moment in our nation's scientific and technological journey.
It gives me great pleasure that I'm present here today on the occasion that we are having the curtain raiser event for Supercomputing India 2025, the first time that a supercomputing or high performance computing conference or event is being held in the country. I think this is a significant milestone.